If your furnace flame is yellow instead of blue, it's a sign you gotta check it out before things get messy. So, first off, look at the burner assembly. Sometimes dirt or dust builds up and messes with the flame color. You can try turning off the furnace and gently cleaning around the burners with a soft brush or vacuum attachment. Next, make sure your furnace has proper ventilation. Blocked vents can cause incomplete combustion, which turns the flame yellow. If you notice a weird smell or soot around the furnace, that's another red flag to call a pro. Scheduling a professional cleaning every year is clutch because they can really get deep inside and fix stuff you might miss. Also, keep your air filters fresh and clean to help with airflow, which affects the flame quality too. Don't ignore yellow flames because it often means carbon monoxide could be lurking, and that's dangerous. Lastly, if you're unsure or uncomfortable messing with the furnace, it is always safer and smarter to get a licensed technician to handle it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring the yellow flame, thinking it's no big deal, but that can lead to carbon monoxide leaks. So fix it by getting a professional inspection immediately. Another common issue is skipping regular maintenance. Furnaces need yearly cleanings to prevent buildup that causes yellow flames. Setting up an annual service helps avoid this. Third, trying to clean the burner assembly without turning off the gas or power can be risky. Always ensure safety first, or call someone who knows what they're doing to keep things cool and safe. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle of searching everywhere. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who actually need their skills and want the job done right.